How to use Atome Installment in Shopee. The first things first is, of course, you have to make sure or verify if you have been approved for Atome Installment. If so, then you don't have to do anything with your Atome Installment as long as it is funded with the specific installment that you can or you are eligible to use. So you just have directly open up your Shopee application, and then you can only change the mode of payment once you are on the checkout page. So say for example, we will be trying to add any random products to our cart. Now our goal here is just to go to the checkout page. So in here, just have to scroll all the way down, and then under payment methods, just tap on view all, and then you just have to choose or credit or forward slash debit card or online banking, depends on your Atom app or your Atom bank. Now, if it's a credit, then just choose credit or debit card, and then just choose on add new card. Now, you just have to input manually, and then in here, just simply input or type in your Atom installment details. And that's it. That's how you use Atom installment in Shopee.